Welcome back to Power Hour. The man in the middle is Jack. Man to his side is Dolby. I am Andre. Lido Bombs, I was not cloned. This is actually me. I see you in the chat. I am alive and well. Let's do this, boys. What are we thinking here? We got a delta reading of minus 20,000 coming into this. We'll see how it plays out. John will keep us updated. We're seeing a bit of a sell-off.
So first off, you wouldn't know if you were cloned.
Oh, God.
Until you meet your other clone.
What are you doing?
I mean, you could be the 3,000th Andre.
Hey, that was a good one.
I didn't even know I was doing that.
I owe you one. I really do. Love you, Jack. Love you, Jack.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. I'll stop giving you existential fears right now. There's enough of that in the markets. Am I right?
Oh,
so
very
right.
good. Yeah, good job.
You are so right.
Andre, I like how you were saying this morning that, this wasn't a fast market as we were, signing off. It was like, what more did you want? It was like a 100-point dip in the ES followed by a 50-point up, 50-point down. It's pretty quick.
It is. Yeah, it is. It is. I guess more volatility. It was, though. There was definitely opportunity to be had. As KV was saying in the previous segment, patience with KV. Just because we're in a little bit of a range doesn't mean there isn't opportunity to be had. I'll definitely be looking to capture mine here. Here's a poll question. Is this Andre or his clone? Great question, guys. I mean, I wouldn't know one way, right? And of course.
Andre, just show us your belly button.
Yeah, I mean, I don't have one. I've never had an umbilical cord. Never had an umbilical cord. So yeah, why would I have a belly button?
You were hatched, right? Right. Yeah.
Yeah, it's just kind of spawned. Yeah. Yep. Here we are. Thank you for that, Jack. All right, guys. Power Hour. Jack, you're going to be trading the ES or the NASDAQ. What are we looking at today?
ES. And actually, I come in with a bounty today. I'm in the trading combine. I'm up $1,874. Okay. And you might see what happened with those lines. So thank you, Hogue, for your weekly kickoff low, because after that sell-off from CPI, I was looking for any sort of like, where is this slowing down? Where's a level? Where's something I can grab onto? And that was pretty much the dead-ass low. I think it just went 3 points through it. I was flat with a high watermark of around 2,500 and then did some dipshit things. But now I'm back. I am going to end this day up more than 1,000, no matter what we do here. That's my goal for Power Hour. What about you, Dolby?
Yeah, so we had a really nice trade for fast markets this morning. We locked ourselves out. We got 542 in less than a minute. So small profit target in that account. So just wanted to lock it up. And then we did a decent trade in the YM as well. So we're starting with a nice balance between the two accounts. These are not copy traded. So you have another $539 in the 150K account. And we're about 5,000 and change from passing this one. So if I do pass, it'd be the first one I've ever passed on TopstepTV.
Nice.
And all trades taken live. So I do not trade these accounts off screen.
Well done.
Well done is right. Thank you. Eddie will keep us posted with any headlines coming out. We did see that headline out of the Middle East. Dolby is the resident crude oil trader here on Power Hour. How do you hold a position, man? How do you stay short at all in crude? I mean, knowing that we're one headline away from a big spike like that when we popped over $1 in just a matter of minutes. How do you how do you trade this?
I think where you start is by starting with big time frames, and then drilling down. When you have volatility, it has the ability to go and reach and touch those bigger time frames. And a level I had that I was really interested in was this daily range low at 84.66. And people ask, oh, how do you draw ranges? It's not complicated. You just find a line that looks like it's kind of been supportive. And so we had kind of 1, 2, 3-ish. 3 areas in which it bounced. So I'll take the average. And now I'm kind of just playing that range as the bottom. And, with the volatility, we ended up going straight down there and touching it. And then I even did a little 4-hour consolidation too. And it kind of played around and bounced and offered some more levels to trade as well. So I would say start with big time frames and just make sure those are all labeled on your chart.
Very sage advice here. We are starting to see a little bit of a sell-off. S&Ps now trading 51.89. Lowest we've seen here in about hour or so, hour and a half. So bottom out of this range, looking at the 5-minute. NASDAQ as well. Dow kind of trading a little bit sideways, but got our eyes on the S&Ps and NASDAQ. And
So,
minutes. Thank you, Daddy.
Yeah, you mentioned there's a big negative delta.
Yep.
What I'm looking at is sort of like in this area, going, back a good ways here, a number of trading sessions, is that there's been a lot of sort of resistance or inflection points around these levels, sort of buyers willing to come in. It's been a while since we've got the opportunity to buy it below 5,200, which is what I'm always looking at. If anything, I'm looking for it to get to 5,200 here, that round number. It's actually catching a bid right now in the ES. I don't think I have the chutzpah to play like a breakout to the downside here, especially with PPI coming tomorrow and that negative delta. I don't know how much short-term traders will want to tango with that.
Agree.
But we'll see.
Yeah, we just popped about 6.6 handles in the ES while Jack was talking right there. It might, make the shorts get a little bit squeamish, get some jitters here, but see what their conviction is in staying short. But certainly a move like that will make the shorts start looking for exits. We got a delta update of minus 19,200 ES with minus 6,000 in the NASDAQ. Both pretty heavy numbers. We haven't seen numbers like that in this week at least. So we'll see if the short squeeze is on.
Yeah, we have a really nice consolidation. I think I heard you guys talking about it on Patience with KV. Is that we have a beautiful 30-minute range right here. So 18,120, I would consider the bottom. And then 18,206, I would kind of consider the top. So if you're interested in range trading this and have conviction of buying, I think this would be considered a cheap trade down here by 18,120, around in this range. That would be a proper range buy right there. Obviously, you're looking for the upside, but your risk is tight. You can put your risk down to like 18,112, for example. So that's what we would call a cheap trade, right? So we would try to stop down here, and then, maybe try to buy here and some profits, up top. And that would be like the idea of how you'd want to set up that trade. Obviously it's very nerve wracking because, you're this close to breaking down and, maybe losing money instantly, but that is where the best value is.
Well, Andre, before we get too far into the power hour, there's actually, we have a few people in the green room that we're going to bring on for you to meet.
Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Whoa. Stop that. What the hell? How'd you guys do that? You guys never taught me that one in production. How did you do that?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Is this copy trading? What is that? What's going on?
Oh my God. That was a good one. Oh my goodness. And what is
those
this
that wanted more Andre? There's more Andre for you. Yikes.
And now there's something on your face too. What is this? Hashtag power hour.
Power hour. Wow.
Andre, you're like wearing it on your forehead right now. What is going on over there?
Dude, that solar eclipse, man. I don't know what happened there, but things are just acting very weird.
Oh my goodness.
Power hour.
Hashtag power hour. That is right, everybody. So we've got a nice little community brewing here. So if you're on social media, please send to us your trader wins. Hashtag power hour. I think it's at Topstep official, at Topstep on X. And then also in Discord Topstep TV channel as well. So just put in there hashtag power hour. And then we're going to try to take the best kind of pictures, bits, trades you had, and we're gonna show them here on Power Hour live and give you all a shout out. So that is the goal, is to kind of really get to know you guys. So hashtag Power Hour, at Topstep on X and at Topstep official on Instagram, and maybe I'll even tweet something at the Topstep account. Example.
So it's going to be Topstep stuff, and then a bunch of pictures of like people at the University of Kentucky doing 60 shots of beer in 60 minutes, right? For Power Hour.
If that's our
here we go.
Oh yeah. Well, actually,
yes, TV Power Hour.
The hashtag is actually not that popular, so we can take it over.
Okay.
Commandeer
it. You can take it over. We can take it over. Jim Carlton,
Jack, what is
what is going on behind you? Yeah.
Oh, what's going on
Who is
behind
that?
me? 1 second. Let me see what it is.
There's a lot going on already.
There is a lot going on. I'll get out of the way. This is just from the solar eclipse.
Oh yeah, look at that.
Yeah. You know, MP's not here.
In spirit, here he is.
There's been a lot of people that have been saying in the chat that we're going too hard on Andre.
Really?
I don't think we are. We have a good rapport, Andre. Like, we're doing it in jest. But MP has actually told me to go harder at him. That's not why I did this today, but it's a dangerous line.
He likes the love I'm getting. He likes the love I'm getting. I see what he's going right there.
I mean, you're actually asking pretty much a professional to come at you. I mean, Jack got paid to do this.
Yeah. No, they're not going too hard on me. You guys saw what happens when they go too hard on me. I will just storm off the set. I will storm off the set and make everything awkward, and then not show up for 3 days and make everything possibly a little more awkward.
Well,
are you feeling sorry for yourself?
We made a push towards 5,200 right now. We're just below that. There's been a lot of volume that has transacted there in this area from 51, 98.50, 3 points below it. Okay, we're above 200. I kind of want to do something. I kind of want to do something.
Oh, if we break through VWAP,
I'm long one.
Okay.
Just.
I like it, Jack. I like it. If we can push through VWAP, dude, the squeeze will be on for sure. We're at minus 19,000.
Super tight. Delta. If I can, I don't want to lose. Come on.
It's 18.5. All right, let's start to peel off here. I might join you.
There's going to be a last time that if it comes back through the 5,200, if you can hold above there.
What time we got? 2:14 Central. I missed the good entry. If we can push through VWAP, I'll get along with you. But Jack calling it a bit early, front running it. I like it.
Okay,
18.
this is what I'm doing. I'm loaded up to scratch this if need be. This is just like the heat check of it getting through 5,200.
Yep. I like it. Nasdaq pushing here
it's
too.
Come back down. I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
You got my finger on the trigger too. Y'all way late, Capital IC Trading says. I don't know if we're way late with a delta like that, my man. I think there's still room if we can squeeze them, but we still have to squeeze them.
Nice range trade. I missed it.
It is a nice range.
A little bit of room on this. I gotta be willing to lose a little bit of money. I'm gonna make it come through. I'm gonna put a stop. Oh, 1,500 lot on the bid. 1,500 lot.
Whoa, yo, nice call, Jack. 1,500 lot. 52.0375. Trading right now. Good job. Good call, Jack.
It's still left 1,500 there.
Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. Nice call. He just ran right. Oh, we're running away from it. Yeah, boy, Jack.
I'm gonna get behind this.
Wow.
You gotta come through the muscle to get the me and my one lot.
Damn, son. I missed it. Squeezes on. I'm in. Getting in way late on this one. Let's see if the squeeze is on though. Nice call, Jack. That 1,500 lot is still there.
Where do I want to take this off? Maybe below. This could squeeze a lot higher. There? I just kind of want to sit here to see if they take out the 1,500 lot, and Yeah,
okay, yeah, flatten that one. There it is.
Come and get it.
Yeah, wow, impressive stuff.
Nice call, Jack. 52.0375 is the 1,500 lot. If we come back down to that, I'll definitely get along with that one. That's house account shit. Where's
We're back to VWAP right now.
Okay, pulling back. Here we go. Good stuff.
What's your profit target there on this one?
There's no profit targets where we're going.
Okay.
To the moon. Here we go. We're pulling back here.
I just want to see how this plays out.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because it's not your typical risk reward trade, because I was just trying to get it. I was trying to get it going through 200, thinking that like it's been bouncing around there all day. There's been a lot of volume there, and there seems to be a lot of buyers in that area. And so it was just like, if I could get it going through there, I thought there'd be maybe some stop runs with all that short delta. I can get it going a little in my favor, move it to break even like I did, and just try and catch a runner. And then we got the Mr. 1500 lot. As long as that's sitting there, I just kind of want to see what happens. So we'll just play with this.
Yeah, I mean, let it test to the upside. I don't see why not. That's a great
I
trade.
mean, if it weren't Power Hour and I only have a one lot on, I'd probably take some off when it went up to VWAP there. I probably would have unloaded. And 1500 lot's gone. I've lost all my
gone.
muscle.
Yep.
So
Disappeared.
here I go. I'll get stopped out for $150 there, which, as they say in Cicero, is also $150. So that brings me up to 2021. And we'll see if we can do it again. Although, like, now with it coming from the other side, I'm not just gonna like buy here if it gets down to 5,200.
Oh, that was nice. Yeah, I'm still trying to get kind of like my feet wet here in some of these moves. Should probably trade Nasdaq. I think just like one little Nasdaq contract should be good. I want to see if we can push highs. Also, we can try a short at the 30-minute range high at 18,206. I could even try YM if we got up to like 38,760. But we'll see. Nice little half range trade there, I think.
I wouldn't be surprised that 1500 lot comes in if it was real. Start lifting all these offers.
Could be.
Yeah, I mean, it wasn't a bluff because it got hit on some of it.
Right.
I think, as I was looking at it.
No, they took partials.
Didn't back down. I'm always fascinated, like, what's behind that.
Who is behind that?
There was a time where you could see who you cleared with electronically.
Goldman interns.
Yeah, well, if you cleared with, what was it, 520? I think was Goldman.
Maybe senior.
Cleared with 520. It was an iceberg. You were in deep.
James, do we still have those Goldman interns in Dolby? Yeah, there they are.
Yeah. Just strategizing.
Each one of them were 400 ES in that bid.
Yeah.
minus 18,000 minus 18,000 delta.
They had like a little kid seat in the corner, and that was the one they gave me. So clearly, not a lot of respect. I wore my best hat for them.
Hey Jack, what price did you get long from there? Twos?
Yeah, like pretty much like maybe 2.25.
Yeah, that was nice.
5,200, like 5,225. I just got it right as it was coming through. Yes, and now we're back up to VWAP here, and I don't know, Andre, what do you think?
I'm looking to buy, but it's upper end of this range. We're gonna have to break through. Yeah. We're above VWAP. Delta is minus 18,000. A little confirmation here. I am late, but as they say, momentum makes entry prices irrelevant.
I'm not even sure if I even got a short. It would be a short that I would want to hold. This just feels, I don't know. Feels like indices just love rallying at the end of the day.
Well, we're off a ton. There was a ton of negative delta. We got PPI tomorrow.
Yep. I like. Yeah, here we go. Squeeze is on. I'm in.
Just took that 300 lot out.
Yeah, squeeze is on. All right. I bought 5 here. I bought 5.
Nice.
5 contracts?
Yeah, in and out.
Oh wow.
It's up $500 right there.
There you go.
Oh, okay.
Good job, Andre.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's like a little rips trade right there. Just seems like in and out real quick.
Yeah, it was. I scratched that.
Little ripper.
Nice trade. That was a long one too, huh? Where'd you even get, man? How'd you even find that amount of room to get that much money? That
market bought 10s, sold 12 halves.
Oh, wow. Is this going to be your new strategy?
What? Like just wait for the squeeze?
I like this new Andre. Yeah, this
I do 5 lots. Nice. You were at the meeting.
Boom, in and out.
Welcome to the team, Andre.
Yeah, right.
Scalping.
Okay, back to VWAP.
Still,
I don't have a lot of levels above here. I mean, we can switch to Dolby if you're doing NQ or anything fun like that.
I got Dow and YM open and split screen style, and we're starting to get to the top of the 30-minute range high. But like I said earlier, I don't know if this is just going to rip to the upside, but I probably should just take this trade pretty much no matter what. It's part of the system. I guess it's probably going to be a little scalper. So let's dial something in here.
Picking
for
up here.
YM.
Oh, apparently there's a typo in the banner. Yes, thank you for fixing that.
Yes.
I
Your
will
500
hunt
trade down 250 PNL on the day. We are right against VWAP here.
We're going to try to work some shorts at new highs in YM on the 30-minute. Let's just see how close those are. Oh, that's fine. All right, we'll work those. So we're going to work sells at 38,773 and 38,793. And those
So
are going to
you're
be for
still on this Dow thing, aren't you?
Yeah, I like the Dow. What's wrong with the Dow? I made like $500 in like 3 seconds in the Dow this morning.
Jack.
Okay.
Yeah, Jack.
Okay.
Also, no one has done hashtag Power Hour yet, so
nothing.
Be the first. No, I mean I'm on Instagram hashtag Power Hour. We can take that over real easy. There's some weird stuff on there. Same for Twitter. So apparently hashtag Power Hour has not been taken. So I think we're gonna go ahead and take that one over.
Doesn't want to go.
How weird stuff are we talking about, Dolby? Is it like stuff that we could pipe in here, or is it weird?
I guess. I just don't know if it would be funny. It's just the people. It's like people working out, people living life, doing like random. Yeah, no one's like I'm up $5,000 on my XFA. There's like one of a party. I think there's like a Dutch electronic fest or something. You can take it over. That's easy.
Yeah, is it Dutch?
The Dutch, yes. Chilling out around VWAP here. Jack, you staying strong? I wish I was long from 2, man. That'd be nice.
I took mine off. I got like after that 1,500 lot dropped out, I got stopped out. Well, stopped out for a gain, but not a healthy one. Not if I had held it. Yeah, right here, I think my issue is that I don't have a huge conviction of. I'm not sure. Maybe the chat can help. I'm not sure what my targets would be here if I was trying to get along this. Well, we're above VWAP. We had that huge. We have a huge gap essentially in the day from CPI. Which did everyone watch that on their domes in real time? That was
here we go.
Fast and furious selling.
Break out.
Come on, come get me.
17,000. You getting short, Dolby? Playing the range?
Yeah. We're gonna try it. It's kind of like a 1 hour range.
Bad time to buy.
Okay, so we got filled. And I really just want to do like a scalp. I'm super interested in taking a long term. Actually, no, I have to follow my rules. So I'm looking for half. I forgot. We're doing the discipline challenge chat. This is very important. Very, very important. How do I not? Where's my box? Oh my God.
Squeeze them.
There we go. Okay. 1 hour range trade. Halfway. Okay, our target is going to be 38,690. Halfway of the range. Okay. 410.
If we can break out above, late to the party now, yeah. If we can break out above 12, 13, 14s, I'd say 52.14 S&Ps, maybe get along with it. Shorts will start. Here we go. Unbelievable.
People looking for.
And here we go.
30.
Calm down.
Here we go. Yep. Squeeze them.
Calm down, market.
Guys, this is the part of the year I can't turn on like my air conditioning yet in the house, but like around this time it gets so friggin' hot in this room I'm in. And I'm
because you're in it. Who said that?
I'm out of layers. Well, I'm in it with a big computer and a light shining at me. So,
well, you got is that flannel, Jack? You might want to upgrade to like
is that
tank
flannel?
top?
No, it's
you have a tank top. You got
John. What do we got? 17,000.
I got one.
How about some pasties? Just put some pasties on.
There you go.
Yeah, to see some.
Let's breathe.
Some big guns.
Hashtag pasty power hour.
16,000 sellers came in. Okay, there's gonna be a tug of war up here at this range.
It's music to my ears. Music to my ears. I still want to get filled one more at 38,793 in YM. So it's kind of weird cheering for it to go backup. But if it goes down and gets me take profit, I mean that's cool. No complaints.
The sellers. Damn. Okay. Wow.
So I hear
Box
you
is
right,
gonna
Andre. You said
box.
negative 16,000 delta.
16K negative, correct.
Okie dokie.
Yep.
I gotta say, it's kind of nice having just a take profit plan that you just kind of give yourself to, because now I just don't care. It's like out of my control. There's nothing for me to do other than just watch this trade play out. So in that regard, it does take off some of the stress instead of trying to flip flop between everything. Anyone? Oh, okay, okay. We got a little bit. Thank you from ICT. Oh, that's funny. I can't believe you just made me say that on air.
Ah. Got him.
You jerk. You jerk. So good momentum in this trade thus far. And we'll just kind of take it, play in this
Take a
range. Not
lower.
a whole lot going on. You said crude was itching higher, and it is 86.31, a couple cents off the highs. That makes me nervous. That whole situation makes me nervous. It's kind of one of those. Am I live again? Okay, God, I have like PTSD from like freezing in the middle of the.
KV popped in for you. I can say exactly what happened. Dolby.
Oh
You
yeah.
got to look at that spreadsheet where it has our codes in it.
What? Oh, is that what? Yeah.
Yeah. You were in KV's code, so when he came in, he usurped you.
It's my bad.
Yeah.
That is my bad.
It's always weird. I was there to jump in though, but it's always shocking when like you're talking to someone and then they're just replaced with like a random person.
Oh, KV, how's it going?
Oh, hi there.
That's really funny.
Some sellers. Not quite there
What
yet.
we like. That is what we like seeing. It's not I mean, what do we think? Like, what's the market trying to achieve? Just more stop runs, tops and
Pain.
bottoms? Pain? If that is the
We
case,
do have PPI tomorrow, and we got 30
feel
minutes
good about
left
my
in
trade.
power hour. Okay. I
feel good about my trade.
I got a 5 lot queued up here. I'll pull back maybe to. We're at the top end of this range. Dolby did see that's still selling NASDAQ and ES coming down to VWAP. I'm not sure how much VWAP matters. Slope is pretty flat, and it is power hour, so throw that out the window. Buyers come in.
Yeah, a little bit. Any
30 minutes left.
Liquidity anywhere that looks like fun?
Mm-hmm.
Not in the YM. There's 35 trading at 38,608, which is bottom of the range.
15 hard lot, Jack. Haters, man.
I think they might have bought it up. I mean, like that was kind of right before it made that
Here
push.
Pull back.
Yep.
Look at those.
Now we're pushing back.
Here we are.
Back to 5,200, maybe. We're back into an area where like a lot is traded today. Let's see.
Oh, this is going pretty good so far.
Yeah, it has, Dolby.
So we're almost at midway to range. Let's see. Midway of range would be 38,961. That's where the take profit is. So if we get filled, it's 410. Yeah, I mean, I'll go to break even now. We're pretty close. This really shouldn't rip higher. I feel like every time I move my stop to break even, the market's like, oh, catch a bid. Let me just make you start sweating a little bit.
I'm trying to see if I do this the other way and like try and catch this as it goes through 5,200.
Yeah, I have Feb support here. But we're going to hold. Those are them rules.
Yes, they are. Delta and Crew, minus 17,500. There is liquidity to the downside in the ES 200 lot on the 5,200 even bid. It is thin, though. Got 29 minutes left in the session.
Cool.
Squeeze it, not start just yet. I thought it was on. We were ready to do it.
Yeah, we got top of range, and it just fell over.
Feels kind of comfortable in this area.
It does.
I bet we close at 5,200 or
Ooh,
thereabouts.
should we get a little
You can
little
make
poll in
a-
chat? That could be fun. Where do you think the ES is gonna
Try to
close?
push this. Yeah, I'll get long beneath it.
Feel free.
That's for certain.
Yeah, let me. Well, I can log in and run the poll if you want to give me the numbers, Jack.
Oh, probably like closest to 5180, 5200, 5220.
Sorry, 5180, 52
Yeah, we'll do
something.
increments of 20.
I would,
Oh, but now they're getting extra information. We're at 200 right now. So 5200 in the middle, 5180 or 5220.
Okay.
We're right at the middle right now.
All right.
Eddie, if you get MOC, feel free to holler.
I'll be watching. Yeah, I'm watching this ES and sellers aggressive here.
Yes, they are.
I think it's just a 200 lot bid. They just ate it up.
Yes, they did.
We're tickling.
And
So I
are
saw Rips in
tickling.
the chat. That's one of his
It's
famous
18,000.
sayings, right?
Yep.
Yep.
Mine's
One of many.
18,000 delta. We're going to hold it here. Big moment.
There we go.
It's gonna breach it.
Beneath? Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Well, it has already. Dolby, how you're feeling good over there, I'm sure.
I'm doing the best thing I can do right now, which is working on this poll and not looking at the screen because I don't want to look at my trade right now. So this is great. I love having this little side thing as we just take like, you know,
Here we go.
within.
Here we go, Jack.
Here
we go.
Got him.
Could be some stops. Could be some follow through here.
There could be. I bought one. We'll keep it tight. Okay. I'm along
Sellers are
one
in
from
control.
51.99. Let's see if we can get. This is worth losing the $150 from earlier. Let's go.
$26 minutes.
I bought it there because it just felt like it was some stop action there. Like
Agree.
it teleported, ate it up, but now that it's not, come on, you got to get through 5,200.
Okay, hold up.
Back.
Poll is up, chat. Where are we closing closest to in the ES today? Put in your answers. And also, if you caught that range trade, hashtag Power Hour, tag us on X or Instagram. And I think we're working on. Oh, and Discord too. You can attach a file in Discord if you want to be in the TopstepTV chat in there as well. I'll check in all the places for your content. Hashtag Power Hour.
All right.
Nice, Jack.
All right. And I took it off.
Nice, Jack.
2243.
Awesome.
And we'll see if we can play this.
Get out. I think they're going to give it one more shot here to the downside. It's going to wait and wait and wait. Yep.
Okay.
Nice,
Any
Jack.
more stops to run?
I can't. Unless they reload on the longs. Yeah. Looking at tilt's pretty 50-50. We do have minus 18,000 delta in the ES, minus 7,000 in the NASDAQ. But we are staying low, so.
That was a nice little 400. So that puts us up 946 today.
Damn.
In the 150K trading combine, our balance is $154,000. So about $5,000 left to go. This is the same account that was $400 away from being blown. So this is a process of reviving this account.
Well, complete revival. Yeah, 52 or below it again. I'm not going to do it this time because there wasn't that same.
Agree. I think.
Let it cook.
Yep.
Oh, we are starting to get some submissions. This is awesome.
Nice.
Yeah, we started getting a couple. Thank you all so much. Cool. All right. We got a thing. Got a thing going here. Hashtag Power Hour, Discord, Instagram, or X. Still feels weird saying that. Still feels weird saying that. It's going to take a long time. It's going to take a long time.
So it's interesting. Someone mentioned me being a dome trader. Is during my entire professional trading career, like I didn't use charts for shit,
Right.
or like
Wow.
I mean, a little bit, but it wasn't like looking at levels in outright treasuries or something like that. They could tell, like we had a bunch of charts, but they were kind of like more for reference. It was more about execute, like figuring out ways to have the computer execute the trades efficiently was like kind of where the je ne sais quoi is. And the cool thing is that these days that's not valuable. So I am learning to trade some other ways too, but I do like watching the dome.
That is, yeah. How do you even do that? So you do like watching the dome. I mean, is that something that you think is even like trainable in this day and age?
I don't know. I'd have to ask because it's been a while since I've seen some of like the best outright trader I've ever seen was very much, maybe he looked at charts for reference, but was very much, he was a former professional poker player and would just stare intently at the dome and basically just try and get the story, get the flow, try and
the tug of war.
Some people can do it. Like I think there's probably like tips and things like that, but it's also, I don't know. It's one of those things that was teachable. I guess more people would do it.
Or, well, yeah, less people would teach it.
Yeah. I mean, I feel like when I was watching crude oil a bunch, you know, I was starting to see some things. I think it's like what I would call the wiggle. It's like you look at the dome and it's like maybe trading at like it's not doing a whole lot, and then all of a sudden it kind of just like vibrates a little bit and just jumps price. I feel like when that happens, price action was about to happen or occur. So that's like the only thing I ever picked up on, and it was only for crude oil. I'm not even sure if it's applicable to like Nasdaq or like YM. But you look at something long enough, you know, you might find patterns, right?
Yep.
Well,
got
but
a big
we'll see happen. Oh yeah, go ahead.
I'll say big battle of 5,200 right now in the ES as we've been watching for the last few minutes. They take it offer, it goes offer, they take a bid. All right, now we're beneath. The sellers finally won it for the short term here, trading 51.99. Could be see his discount, but as far as the range goes, right in the middle of the range. But we finally did breach 5,200, Jack, like we were talking about. See how much follow through there is to the downside. But here they go, 5,200 bid.
If we can get through like down to 5195, I would think more about maybe getting short. Right now, I don't know. I think with PPI tomorrow, like I said earlier, I think we're going to be hanging around 5,200.
Yep. Maybe it's just a whole nothing.
Well, while we're doing this dance, we want to show the quiz winners real quick.
Good call.
Yeah, they want that.
They do. And here they be. Rip's Beard. Trade for Jesus.
Always.
Our old friend Tix and Asks. I have to pronounce it very carefully. Bank Sinatra.
I like that one. That would be a great team name.
Still could be. We'll just get their permission.
That's right.
Pretty good job.
Good show, folks.
19 minutes. 19 minminutes. We are trading 52.03 in the ES. 18.176 NASDAQ. Catching bids, both sides.
9 minutes until MOC.
Yep. And we do have those submissions.
Okay.
So if James is ready, this is the first time we've ever done this. This is a work in progress, but we have had some people submit some pictures via the internet. And there's our first one. Yep.
Finally they get him. Finally they get him. Finally.
Oh, that's good. I like that.
Good one. Who did that one? Oh, that was ICT. On Twitter. Thank you so much. And then Pass the Combine from Team Topstep, hashtag Power Hour. That is awesome. Looks like
Cool.
my charts are, that's some power Hour right there. That is awesome. Congrats on passing a Combine. I hope you didn't fade me. And then who else? Who else do we got? Last one. This one's from Discord, hashtag Power Hour.
Ooh,
Got a
Dolby's Discord.
screenshot of a runner. Oh, hello. Like he's up a couple $100 in that one. Nice little range trade there from the looks of it. That is a nice trade. Brad, thank you so much for your submission. You have that yellow name, and if you have a yellow name in Discord, that means you have at least been in an Express funded account. So congratulations. That was fun. So hashtag Power Hour on Twitter,
Good
Discord, or Instagram. Yeah, that was very cool. Hey, that was Brad Sims. That's awesome.
What was that? Somebody in the chat was saying that 5605 or 5205, 5206 critical in the ES, and I just wanted to channel MP and be like, why? Why is it critical?
Yep.
I think if I had to guess, it's because that's where VWAP is.
I would agree.
That's where we are now.
Minus 19,000 delta, but so far the squeeze hasn't occurred. I thought we were going to break out. Squeezers, shorts came in and said not so fast. Put a roof on that.
Yep. Would I try shorts again?
Ooh, yeah.
Maybe higher up.
NASDAQ
Let's try a NASDAQ short, but like really far up, like 18,236, because NASDAQ actually no. NASDAQ likes being really annoying. So that means I have to put it like further up. So we're gonna try it here.
I got nothing right now, Jack.
Yeah. So we're gonna try this 30-minute range trade, but we're gonna set the sell stop really high because I think it's gonna be a really dumb like stop run to the upside, and then we're gonna come back down. That's what I'm thinking.
Minus 19,000.
Okay.
We had minus 19,000 earlier. I thought where the squeeze was on, but the shorts didn't fully didn't cover, and we were able to push it down lower again. So it's got me double thinking this. Oh, maybe even
the delta. It doesn't have to be like people. They don't necessarily have to be closing out these positions. Today,
correct.
Right. You know, it's just kind of like
shorts unlimited risk, though.
As we say.
Yeah. Naked shorts, unlimited risk. Yeah.
I mean, if you're leveraged like you are in futures, you have unlimited risk on the buy too.
Don't say that. Okay, less than here we go. New candle 45 sellers.
Yep. I don't know if we're gonna get filled, but NASDAQ likes doing very, very silly things. Ooh, Mark M, one of my range trade buddies, short 18,200 in the NQ. It's a good range trade in my opinion. See if you get the action that you need to make it a profitable trade.
Just won't go.
Yeah, Power Hour has been pretty slow the last couple days actually. So this is not unusual at all.
I don't know that I would call it that slow. I mean, during Power Hour, we've had a range of
10 points. In SPOOs. Oh, you're cleaning up with the range.
Yeah, I mean, I enjoy it. Yep. I totally enjoy it. I mean, if you were trading the range today, and that was all you were doing, I mean, you would have been very, very comfortable.
ATM.
That's still one of my that's on my bucket list is to find a range and actually take like 4 or 5 trades like consecutively, just
resting orders,
and just nail them every single one. I think that would be pretty fun.
Somebody says there's a 500 lot at 52.20.
See that
a ways off. Come find me.
Just like that 1,500 lot. 1,500 lot killed everything.
It did.
You were long. It came in above. Like, man, here we go. We're gonna push.
What does come find me from?
Yes, I was just gonna tell you. Have you seen it was from? I say it all the time with like my wife will say it too because it's such an odd line reading. It's like a Match.com, one of the dating app commercials. And there's this woman who's giving her profile, like blah blah blah. And at the end, she's like, "Come find me," and it's just like, wow,
Oof.
yikes,
Yeah.
no.
Wait, how come it didn't have the guy say that, Jack? I think that line would.
It was just a weird line to reading.
Yeah.
Like,
It's so strange.
it's kind of like the word, like people that say "daddy." It's like I don't like the saying of like "come find me."
Mm.
Hey,
Squeeze,
Andre
shut-
3001, come find me.
All right. Here we go. Charles Chapman says, "Squeeze it, squeeze it." Yes, squeeze it. Oh, here we go. 14's trading. Bringing out the range in the Nasdaq. Can we do it?
I don't know. Come get me. Come find me. Nasdaq.
Come at-
18,254.
20,000.
Come at me or come find me. Let's do this.
That's gonna
Yeah.
be stuck in my head for forever.
Minus 20,000, John. Damn it. It's minus 20,000 now, Jack. Delta Building, minus 20,000. I don't know what to make of it, John. I don't know what to make of it.
It could just be people selling the sell, though, too.
Yep.
So
You can go hands off because I can't make sense of it right now.
We didn't.
let's wait for
we didn't
250.
oh, yeah, sorry, we didn't cover the poll. 5,200, 31%, 5180, 29%, 5220, 23%, 5240, 15%. So 5220 is the common consensus amongst chat. Yes.
Okay.
5220. It's also my only reason for taking a short would be just pure hubris of thinking that I think it's going to close at 5,200
Yeah. Always waiting for the big one, Jack.
one of these days. I used to have.
I love it.
So like we were talking to with David today about his biggest trade, and I remember the
That was a
day
great story.
like of. I won't tell the story today. It will take a while. Next time I'm on and we have some time. But I was basically like near my puke limit and then pulled a real rabbit out of my hat on a news event. But stayed very quiet, unlike David, because like by pure luck, I managed to like get out at the top of this thing. And everyone else in this trading firm stayed in it, and it was just like the sounds of hell going on around,
Yeah.
just like people punching keyboards and saying F-bombs and things like that. And I just kind of like turned off my monitor and just like walked
get
away.
out of there. Yep. Best way to do it. Best way
All
to
that
do
to
it.
say is that after that, because that I basically launched a bunch of things on News Event, is I did develop in my, because we had like proprietary software, my disaster button, like the button that I could hit that would like launch, short my position limit in ES, long my position limit
Long
in the front end of
treasuries.
the curve, long
Yep.
treasuries, just to be like, one of these days the world
9/11
may
trade. Here
end.
we go.
Yeah.
Yep.
Respect, Andre, would not call it that. All I'm saying is the world may end,
Well,
but
that's-
I will have a
yes.
lot of money on paper. But I never got the chance to use it. And it always scared me that it was still like on my, like I could theoretically hit it and then get fired right away.
Oh, here we go.
This just in. Japanese have attacked Pearl Harbor. Wait a minute. No, wait, that's MOC imbalance, 240 million to the sell side.
Sellers.
There you go.
Okay.
Oh, here they come.
Yeah, here they come.
Mark
They're coming for 5,200.
Mark M had a nice little short in NQ.
Going hands off.
Wonder if he's still in it. 18,200. Is that what it is? 202. Either way, good short. Let's see what happens here. I don't think I'm getting filled on mine. Mine is kind of like a Hail Mary short on like a wicked sort of stop run. But I'm already up a good amount, so I'm not like trying to get filled on this, but I do think that it is possible. But we'll see. We will see. And yes, that is a very, very small MOC. Like Peter Tuchman and David Green say, they're not interested unless it's like 2 billion plus for MOC. So that is very, very tiny. Very,
we
very
had
tiny.
we had this number about like this yesterday. And
Mm-hmm.
what did we do? We rallied.
Okay.
It did catch some of the bid.
Speaking of that, Alonzo, we just won't go, Alonzo. You think it would start already, but it just hasn't happened.
Never know. It doesn't
Little
take much
hands
for
off.
a little stop run. We might just whimper in. Like, if we have any good liquidity,
Yeah.
we got what? Like, anything sizable? We got
Nothing,
what?
yes.
118 at 225 in the NQ. Yeah, so they're just sitting right above that previous 5 minute. 250. We got 100. That's not a lot. There's not
500 lot still at 217.50. Nothing is big on the bids. Dolby, do you mind if I do the interview with Tuckman sometime?
It's fun.
No, not a problem.
Just because
you have some good
want
questions.
to. I want to ask him about the signed headshot for my mom too.
Yeah, for sure. He's a lot of fun to talk to. He's a lot of fun to talk to. Actually, him and David are both just great. They have so much knowledge and stories and just great attitudes about trading. It's awesome. Rolling over here in the NASDAQ and the Dow. Top of range trade would have been a nice one. You are a range trader, would have been a cheap short.
I got short one with the idea that I think this is going to settle out. I don't have much risk in this trade. Look, I'll get stopped out right here. But I'm not going to add to it. And ideally, I'm going to stay above 2K on the day.
Very nice.
Well, not very nice. It was one of those ones that's just like instantly in my face. And come find me. Okay, cool. I'm a 2091.
Yeah, looks like Mark got out of his shorts. Hopefully, you got some money out of that one, Mark. I'm not sure what your profit target is as a range trader. Maybe you're just kind of scalping the ranges, but hopefully you did get some money on that one. I agree, Undauntable. I too did enjoy the range trade today. Can't say it like you did, but it was nice. It was very nice. I still think we might be able to push. We got what? 5 minutes left? I don't think so.
Delta minus 21,000 going nowhere. Starting to feel like just message Hogue. Starting to feel like last week we had a huge negative delta. I forgot going into one of the numbers the following morning, and we just never fully broke or rallied one way or another. So it's starting to feel like that. So that's kind of what the whole thing is about. Can't replace screen time. That's what screen time does for you. You see these scenarios play out, recognize patterns, recognize levels, and let it sit on your hands. I did lose money last week doing that trade. So this week this time around, I'm not going to sit on my hands. So save me money.
Yep. What are your trading goals, Andre? You just trying to pass a trading combine?
I'm trading live, man.
You're trading live. Oh wow, okay.
The entire time. Oh yeah. Try to up my size by the end of the year. Started trading S&Ps, super hardcore, super serious, middle of last year, and I'm trying to grow my size and become like a 10-lot default trader as opposed to 1, 2s, and 3s and see where that goes. But right now, that's the goal. That's what remember we filled out the goals earlier this year in January. That was essentially what the goal was: be a default 10-lot trader with risk and reward and everything like that.
Nice.
That's where I'm trying to go. Yeah,
mine's 100,000 subscribers.
There you go. Well, speaking of that, we are just under 200 away from 80,000 subscribers. Please click subscribe. Let's get to 80,000. Let's do it today. Hell, let's do it tonight. Probably something for you, but we are on the march to 100,000. Please click like. Please click subscribe in these last 5 minutes of trading on the Wednesday. Don't forget, we got PPI tomorrow. Eddie will go over everything coming up. We are getting close to 80,000. It feels like just last week we were at 75,000. So we're growing quickly. Cars by Christmas. Really I like that, Taurus.
I'm just trying to pass a trading combine on screen, but the catch is I am taking every single trade on screen. So I'm not taking any trades off screen. Everything's going to be live on TopstepTV to get this passed. I'm only going to try to do like 2 accounts. Don't want too many. 1 account at a time.
No, they are, Anne-Marie.
Yeah. Mark is back in for the range trade short. Let's see how that one plays out. I do think it's a cool entry. I worry about the market just ripping higher and then just coming right back down again, especially going into power hour. I think liquidity is probably a little bit light. I don't know if it would cost that much if they really wanted to go do a stop run. That's right, JT.
I'm gonna be
do it
hands
live.
off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because Jack, what'd you finish up? Couple grand?
2090 and 60 cents. My high flat watermark was probably like 2,500.
Oh, nice. Just never wanted to go. Yeah, the range. Dolby, well done on the range, man. Great job.
Good one. Just
Good
gotta
for
get
the
comfortable
breakout.
taking it.
Yep.
Yeah, it's just it's kind of a scary trade to take if you're not
Can
used
be.
to it, but you just gotta embrace it. Just embrace the range.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
2
Thank you.
minutes remaining. And there's a question in chat. Do people only trade, was it sim accounts or something in chat? Is that what he said? God, I hate it when you see a question in chat and it just like evaporates. It was in there somewhere. But anyways, to answer your question, we trade a little bit of everything. Some people are in live accounts. Some people are in trading combines, XFAs. We have a house account that we trade as well. I think Andre is kind of the champion of that account. So what we're going to do with that, Andre, do you want to explain what the house account is? So when we get that kicked off?
Real quick. House account, last 2 minutes here. House account, next couple of days, next couple of weeks, we're going to start gathering levels from some of our trusted live funded traders, also people on screen, everyone. We're going to try to get some good levels, and we're going to, we want to line up with whether a VWAP, levels amongst our traders, and we want to get like 1 or 2 or 3 indicators lined up that we're going to pull trigger on some size trades. We're talking 25 lots, 30 lots, 50 lots. I think you saw Michael buy 5,000s in the ES. I think about like 25 times or something similar to that. But we are going to be asking, not necessarily crowdsourcing, but going to some of our trusted live funded traders for levels. And we're going to try to start pulling the trigger and do some bigger size around here. We think we've got a lot of conviction in our traders here at Topstep. So we're going to start putting our money where our mouth is and start backing those trades. So yeah, please tune in. We're going to start doing bigger size. We just execute and maintain them. We get the ideas from you guys, and we're going to start pulling, so to speak. But yeah, stay tuned for fast markets tomorrow. I think we got a good process in order as to how we're going to do that. It should be fun. We're going to see some big numbers being put up here.
All right,
Yeah,
final 20 seconds or so. Although you can trade for an extra 10 minutes if you're a maniac. Only good things happen in the last 10 minutes of the trading session on the CPI day.
That's how you know you're tilted, when you're looking for answers in the last 20 seconds of the trading session.
Yes, there it is.
Ring, ring, ring goes the trolley.
Yeah. That is all, folks.